Obere Wanda Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Remove your hand from your pocket. It's night already. I have few questions for you before you go to bed, okay?
Okay.
What is night in Igbo?
Abale.
Abale. Okay? Ndewo. What is night time in Igbo?
Oge abale.
Oge abale. Now, how can you say sleep well in Igbo?
Rahu nkoma.
Rahu nkoma. Okay? Ndewo. Now, how can you say wake up early?
Teta n'oge.
Tete, you are speaking your dialect for me. Teta, teta n'oge, teta n'oge, mobu teta gbo. Now, how can you say good night in Igbo? Kachifo. Now, if I say kachifo to you, now what will be your response? Kaobo. Ngwa, nwada kachifo. Kaobo. Ngwa rahụ nke ọma ka ọ dị. Ndewo.